right heroes could make all the difference.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion.
Round
As
one,
Sorcerer
go!
Supreme, I oversee other magical adepts.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
How many of those mystic portals of yours can you open at once, Doctor?
I'm not sure I feel comfortable divulging that information without first understanding why.
Tiger Division could use a way to mobilize our agents on a global scale at a moment's notice.
The
battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Perhaps you should speak to Loki instead.
Got my eye on someone welcome guests. I have
You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
Mayday!
Better stop that vehicle.
Good medicine.
Danger at your rear!
They've made it halfway. Stop them.
Choloat Shigan!
There's still a chance to stop them.
That should make a difference. I have unfinished business here.
They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them.
got my eye on someone welcome guests. Maximum impact.
By the eye of Agamotto!
Everybody needs a hand sometimes.
I have
Better stop
unfinished
that
business
vehicle.
here.
I've got you. Full blast!
Like this.
I am strengthened for battle.
They've made it halfway. Stop them.
Anyone willing to help?
Bionic magic! I am
Disappear!
They're in our flank.
Ionic magic! Ionic magic!
Fantastic.
Double KO!
The Sorcerer Supreme lives
They
once
hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them.
One couldn't win without the other.
Better stop that vehicle!
I am strengthened for battle.
I'll do my best to carry on, Reed. It won't be easy. Anyone willing to help?
Our trouble.
Behold! Their child!
Stop them! Better stop that vehicle!
By the Eye of Agamotto! Ionic magic! Good medicine.
He stopped them in their tracks!
Ionic magic!
Just in time. Thanks. Did I break your...
Double KO!
Unfinished business here.
Don't give them another inch! Or else. Only 60 seconds left!
Ionic magic!
The current score is 0-3. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion.
Round
As
2,
Sorcerer
go!
Supreme, I oversee other magical adepts.
Why does everything gotta take maximum effort? Couldn't I just phone it in for once?
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
You know, I do have this very skimpy I hate to admit it, but science alone might not get us through this one.
Things must be
just
dire
picture
if you're
Are you
willing to
picturing
factor
it?
magic as a
Yeah, I
possible
look good, don't
solution.
I? I'm willing to explore any advantages we have available, Stephen.
And it's a good thing I happen to have a few up my sleeve,
The
Reed.
battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Victor's meddling in the time stream never ends well for anyone, especially...
Don't get that vehicle too
This could be treacherous territory. Spider-Man, but...
A little help, please. Cover me!
The Sorcerer Supreme returns. Good medicine.
We've been discovered!
By the shades of the Seraphim, I return. I am strengthened for battle. Don't leave me, darkness!
Look at that kid widow's spider!
Out, dark magic! They've got the numbers. Enemy in front of us. Good medicine. To the Weaver without delay.
Damage sustained. Need assistance.
Let's visit the Master Weaver! I need a new Christmas sweater.
By the eye of Agamotto!
Behold that child!
Good medicine.
Only 60 seconds left.
Purge the darkness.
You're halfway there. Keep going. Almost there. Let's get back out.
Purge the darkness. I am strengthened for battle. Out, dark magic.
The final 10 seconds.
Hope I make the cut!
Final score 0-2-3. Well, you can't expect to win them all. The right heroes could make all the difference.
Open your eyes. Reality
Round one,
is
go!
not to be owned, but to be felt, experienced, lived.
He'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
Ilyana, dear, remember you're more than welcome in the Sanctorum.
Aren't you worried about my dark side anymore, Stephen?
I am, but books and tea will teach you how to cope with it. They worked for me.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks!
I am strengthened for battle.
Fancy seeing you here!
Letting the dark child out, I see. I am strengthened for battle.
He's stopped them in their tracks!
These guys are about to shoot at us.
Don't rush.
I'll patch you up.
Just embrace the light! Please, we're hurt!
They found my weak spot.
Good medicine.
Enjoy the amplifier. I'll patch you up.
Anything to hurt me.
Don't mind me. I'm just dying.
See there? The sniper.
He's stopped them in their tracks!
Perish the darkness. Good medicine.
I am
By
ready
the
to put on
eye
a
of
show!
Agamotto. Leave me, darkness. Dark magic. I am strengthened for battle. Grace us with me. See there? Leave me, darkness.
Taking it all! Only 60 seconds left.
I'll patch you up. Don't mind me. I'm just dying. Enjoy the
Stop that vehicle!
Dark magic.
Plasma! Down to 30 seconds. winner yet. Going to overtime.
The mystic arts won't fail me again.
The current score is 0-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. I quietly put out? You have no idea.
Your little spells are nothing compared to ancient Asgardian magic, Strange.
Relay deployed. It ain't cheap.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Velasco said I should stay away from you. He really hates you.
He should. Also, I see you're not taking his advice.
I don't really let people or demons tell me what to do.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Help get that vehicle to its destination.
These mechanical arachnids are no more.
Remind me never to go swimming again.
We must and shall save the world, Tree.
Oh, please! Defenses are down! Hold still, I'm trying to help.
Called in backup. Boy, are they ugly.
Ever.
Psionic burst! I got you! Final score, 1-2-0.